want to know how I make this my delicious banana milkshake, watch this video to the end, guys. As you can see, my banana milkshake. If you want to know the details how I make this wonderful banana milkshake, look this video to the end. Don't miss anything from it, guys. Look this video to the end. You will enjoy it, guys. If you want to know how I make this banana milkshake, it's so delicious. Hello fans, welcome back to my channel. Here I am with another great recipe. I'm going to be showing you how I make my banana milkshake. Okay, here we have a simple recipe. Banana milkshake is very good. It's healthy meal, very good for body. Drink it, it will make you look fresh, guys. So this is another great recipe. We have just a few ingredients to make it. I have 2 bananas here, and I have sugar, and I have 1 cup of milk, but I'm going to be using 2 cups of milk to make this banana milkshake. And we have little ice here. If you want, feel free to use any one of your choice. I prefer using block. I want to make it more fresher when I finish making it. Then let's get into this video. Okay, banana milkshake is very healthy. It's very nice for body. You drink it, it will make you fresh, guys. So let's get into the video and start making this delicious banana milkshake. Okay guys, now I will add the sugar inside. Now the banana is inside already, and I will add the milk inside. I'm going to add another more. Okay guys, I had the 2 cups of milk already, and I have to add more the block inside. I'm supposed to even add more, just that I did not make the more block. So now I will be blending the banana with the milk. Let's go, guys. As you can see, the banana milkshake is almost ready, guys. So we are continuing blending the banana milkshake. As you can see, my fans out there, my banana milkshake is ready, guys. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you are just dengue pose and come across this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, Beautiful Shine TV. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are my returnings, God bless you. Thank you for always clicking on my video. I am not taking you guys for granted. Thank you for making me to be who I am today, for making me to be a YouTuber. I am very grateful to you all. Thank you so much, and I love you all, and God will continue to bless you abundantly as you are watching my video. May God continue bless you in the name of Jesus. Please don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed. So let's turn our banana milkshake into the cup and see how this banana milkshake came out. Okay. The flavor alone, my lady out there, is making me to drink it already. This is banana milkshake. It's looking so healthy, guys. So let's put it into the cup. As you can see, my people, my banana milkshake is ready. Voila! My banana milkshake is ready, guys. Check it out, guys. Check my banana milkshake out. Check it out. It's very nice. Let me have a taste of this banana milkshake. Let me have a taste, guys. So let me have a taste. Oh my god, guys, you need to taste this banana milkshake. So lovely, so delicious. Try it for your kids. And I know kids always love drinking banana milkshake. Try it for your kids and I know they will love it. I will come for another recipe which is also fragola milkshake. And see you for my next video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will always be the first to be notified. Thank you guys for joining me today. Bye bye.